Okay? Give it a shot. See if I can remember all that. Be alright. Pro YouTuber, me. Clearing is the last big push by universities to fill up places on their courses. If you've done better than you expected or done worse, then this is your second chance to land the perfect course for you. Before results day comes, make sure you do your research beforehand and make sure you know exactly what course you want to go for. So make sure you know what grades are required for that course, make sure you sign up for early notifications for that course, and most importantly, make sure you know how to contact the university in question beforehand. You don't have to go in blind. You're going to be at this university for the next 3, 4, 5, maybe even more years. Make sure you get a feel of the city, make sure you get a feel of the campus, because different universities will be giving different campus tours. So make sure you do your research, go out there and explore those different campuses. On results day, you can contact universities by multiple channels, such as social media on their Facebook and Twitter, and the old-fashioned method of telephone. All they need is your grades and your student ID number. Make sure you skip the queue and get ahead by using Instant Messenger. Forget about the telephone queues, you can go ahead and make sure someone sees you straight away. When you're contacting the university which you want to go to, make sure you have some questions ready. When you're contacting them by social media or by telephone, you can ask them whatever you want because this time is just for you. Make sure you ask them where you're going to live, what's the city like, what's the degree like, what job will you get at the end of it. Make sure you have some questions tailored to you because it's the perfect opportunity to ask them. If you master the clearing process, then I'm sure you'll be at a great university on a great course. However, if your grades aren't what you expected, then don't panic. I'm sure there's a university out there just for you. So make sure you keep calm, follow these steps, and I hope to see you in September.